The story behind the word rodeo. Rodeo is a free morpheme and a root word, specifically a noun, with no prefixes or suffixes, and it has an interesting background that exemplifies the evolution of society. The term is a direct borrowing from the same word in Spanish, rodeo, that means a going round, which comes from the verb in Spanish rodear, related to rodare and rotare in Latin. So the word was first used in Spain and then in Hispanic lands. Nowadays, rodeo describes the sport in which cowboys demonstrate their abilities to handle cattle in different ways. Spanish colonizers brought cattle to America in the 16th century, and then they started organizing events to show their abilities handling the herds, especially in Mexico. That way, the activity became popular until it started to take form into what it is today. Being close to Mexican territory and because of cultural circumstances, rodeos started to take place in the USA, especially in southern states. There is not an exact date in which the word started to be used in Hispanic lands, but it is known that these events were performed for the first time in the US in the 1880s. So the word possibly started to be used there during that time. Of course, the concept of rodeo was different from what it is today. At first, rodeos were more for fun, and now it is a whole competition system with money involved. Nowadays, rodeos are part of the American and Hispanic culture, not only as a source of entertainment, but as a professional sport with specific rules and regulations, encompassing challenging performances and extreme bull riding. Organizations such as PBR and stars like J.B. Mooney exemplify the great significance of rodeos in pop culture. Talking about its register, it is a common and standard word in English, so depending on the context in which it is used, it can be a neutral, formal, or informal register. Still, it can be a jargon mostly used in the context of cowboys and cattle farming.